So I don't know how long the wireless microphone's going to last. It's on battery power. I probably need to buy another battery bank to keep that alive. So I'll have a battery bank on my person powering the wireless mic.
Baby, you
camera's picking my voice up. But I think that's it. I'll go through tomorrow and tighten everything up, maybe put a bit more grease here and there. This arm here, it's got a bend there and a bend there. This one here's got a bend down there, but there's almost nothing here. In fact, it's going the opposite direction, so I think I'm going to have to put a bend in there myself. I could just tighten it, but I'd rather put a bend in there. That's it, so I'll put a bit more lubrication around. Everything's loose at the moment. I didn't want to tighten everything until I made sure I had all the washers, nuts, bolts, all that sort of thing. This valve here was a bit dodgy, but I think it's okay now. It sort of had a bit of a squishy feeling when I closed it off, but that seems to have come right. I think I'll spray a bit of CRC in there. I don't have any at the moment. Well, I do have some, but it's all a different grade, so I think that there slides in there. Unfortunately, this you can't just rotate this like a lot of pumps to drop it down. Got to put that on there. Well, I suppose that's normal. So that's it, and with a bit of luck, I should be able to collapse this, which is the whole reason I purchased this particular model. Well, I wouldn't say I'm upset, but I had been saving money to get a 3-ton model. It's advertised on the website, and I'll see if I can overlay that. It's advertised on the website, 3-ton, foldable. Just going to interrupt here, sorry. Looking back at the situation here, I hope I've made the right decision, but looking at this 3-ton model, yes, it doesn't fold, certainly not like the 2-ton model that I have. But what's happening here with this model is these legs, they extend in and out sort of half the distance. That's really it. The boom, when that's down, well, all cranes are going to do that. So yeah, in my mind that title's a bit misleading. I just hope that I've got the model that's going to do the job, because I need that boom out its furthest distance, and at that setting we're at 500 kilograms. So yeah, not ideal. Let's just hope it's going to do the job. Anyway, let's see how this folds up. These are a bit cheap. I might sort of replace those, get something a little more sturdy. Should be able to just lift that up. Drop this pin in here, I think, and that'll keep it in place. Same as the other side. Probably should put the lube in there, or something in there. I don't know. We'll see.